In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Workspace in Notion. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a workspace is permanent and removes everything in it, including pages, databases, files, and shared content. If there's anything you might need later, take a moment to export or duplicate important pages to another workspace first. Also, you'll need to be the owner or have the right permissions to delete a workspace. If you're not sure, check with your team or the person who set it up. Start in the Notion app or the web version. Look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile. This might appear as your photo or your initials. Click your profile to open the account menu. This is where you'll find the controls that affect your account and the workspace you're currently viewing. If you have multiple workspaces, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding. From the menu, click on Settings. This opens a panel with several categories that let you manage account preferences and workspace level options. We're going to the spot where Notion groups general workspace controls. Within Settings, click on General. The General section is designed for broad workspace actions and details, so it's where Notion places options like renaming and deleting a workspace. Take a second to review the page so you're familiar with what's here, especially if you manage multiple spaces. Now, locate the option labeled Delete Workspace. Click on Delete Workspace to begin the removal process. Notion will display a clear warning outlining what deleting entails. This is your final checkpoint to make sure you're acting on the right workspace and that there's nothing left to save. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Depending on your setup, Notion may ask you to acknowledge the consequences or verify that you understand the action you are taking. Once confirmed, the workspace is removed from your account and from any members who had access to it. Keep in mind that deletion impacts everyone who used that space, so it's best practice to notify collaborators ahead of time. If you only needed to stop using a workspace personally, consider simply removing your access instead of deleting the entire space. After deletion, refresh your Notion sidebar to confirm it's gone. If you don't see immediate changes, give it a moment or sign out and back in. That's all it takes to permanently remove a workspace in Notion. Thanks for watching, and remember to back up anything important before you hit delete.